Hey, hi. I just want to share like how you can set up an N8n in your VPS. So this basically N8n Community Edition, which you can self-host on your VPS on your premises. And trust me, it is very cheap compared to the starter plan of the N8n. So in my case, I bought VPS on DigitalOcean, and as you can see, I created one droplet with 2 GB RAM and 50 GB SSD. There is one core CPU. So here, let me SSH and show you the process as well. So I created this myth sub-user, and as you can see, we are inside our VPS. Let me go inside our N8n, and as you can see, there is a Docker compose. So basically, there could be multiple ways to self-host. The Docker is the simplest and most easiest way. We just need to put our configuration in Docker compose file and .env file, and with some command, your N8n self-hosted server is up and running. So as you can see, this is my configuration. And by the way, this N8n is in queue mode. So basically, there is a main N8n service that can handle your front end and back end, and there are some workers. So queue mode is basically you can spin up multiple worker to offload the main processes like job execution. You can run in a separate container, so that main container can handle other things. So as you can see, I have created this GitHub repo where I list down all the steps which are required to set up VPS, setting Docker Compose with the queue mode, setting running services in the Docker like Redis and Postgres. So I also provided the Docker Compose file and example of .env. So and also there is update script. So as you know, like N8n keep pushing the new version, fixing bugs, adding more features. So every week there is a minor or major version coming. So basically using this script, you can pull the latest version and uh, keep your N8n up to date. So now let me show you. So there is a Meetnunga, there is my personal website. So this is actually I haven't set up properly just for demo. I have this domain. So there's a WordPress website, and on subdomain I have self-hosted my N8n. So N8n.Midonga, and as you can see, this is a fully self-hosted with the queue mode. Okay, you have all the capability, and I also make sure like everything is running. Sometimes what happens if you self-host, sometimes webhook not working, and this is actually a queue mode, so there could be lots of issues. So while setting, I also encountered many issues which I fixed, and based on that, I created this uh, GitHub repo, the setup guide. So let me quickly show you. So there is a simple chat agent. Okay, hi. So as you can see, the AI agent is properly working, and you can create credential. You can do whatever you want, and this is completely up and running. Let me show you here as well. So as you can see, this container are up and running using N8n image. And as you can see if you see the name, there is worker 125. So this is the main process, N8n-N8n-1. So there are your main container, and these are like worker for processing the jobs and other things. So there are, you can say there are six server, six container handling your processing execution of workflow. There is also a native Postgres and Redis container running and traffic. So there's basically a proxy, and everything is set up on this VPN itself. You can also use a remote database. I can also set up that as well. And instead of running worker here, I can also help you to set up worker in a different server and basically connect with the Redis and make the communication happen. Yeah, so this way you can self-host N8n. It will be very cheap and there is no limit or restriction compared to cloud plan. So let me know if you want to set up. Yeah, thank you. Bye.